watch the sun more. It's a pretty good tip. I'm gonna do some crafting today. You can do some crafting. Got some little things to put my tincture in. And I bought these for spray bottles for water when I spray my thing. And I got some of these to put tincture in so you can give to people. Give to, eat it, whatever. Then I got these for a new spice rack. I'm gonna make myself a new spice rack. That's what I got. And then I got these little shells. Aren't they cute? These little cute little shells to make earrings with. To add to earrings. And then I got more of these little clasps. There's my glasses. It was so friggin' bright. Looks like, where's my glasses though? Got a phone number from a girl she's a crocheter in this town, and so yeah, maybe we can work together, like market our stuff together. So we're gonna start. I don't even know what I'm gonna make first. What is that? What I had something in my mind. I am gonna make a shell, but I'm gonna make a few things. I like to condition it while it's still in the bag a little bit. But the first bag is there's another cover inside of that. I should have brought my knife or something, my scissor. I got this knife, but I should have got new knives like this. Need to get a couple new ones, X-Acto knives. My big beautiful leaf that I made the other day, it broke. I'm gonna make another one. Well, we'll see what I'm gonna make. I got a few ideas in my mind of what I want to make, so we'll see what I'm gonna end up making. It's gonna make. We're gonna squeeze it. It's like a stress ball. That's how it works. Yeah, there's people keep going by. There's a bitch with a yellow dog or whatever, and she goes by and drops her poop off on here. I seen her the other day. She's from the area here. She walks around with a white dog. She went halfway down there, came back, dropped the poop. There's a baggy poop right there, baggy poop right there. We're gonna put the camera on and then we're gonna catch you. Yep. I'm gonna take a little break.